Guys, good morning. At 5:19 in the morning, I have this beautiful gift wrap Christmas present that was given to me by my youngest daughter last Christmas Eve. Let's see what I got. It's beautiful. A tiny box. Let's see. Let's open it. There you go. A black nylon tie right there. And a cloth decor. It says, "To Mom from my daughter." Let's see. She's very creative. Ooh. There you have it. Uh-oh, something. She always give me like premium chocolates. Let's see what I got this time. Let's see what I got. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, another premium chocolates. I'm not really big on chocolates, but if it is given to me by my special someone, I'll be happy to eat it. It says salted caramel pine cones. This must be good. My first time to have such a chocolate, so I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna feast on this salted caramel pine cones. Every time I go to the groceries, I'll see such a caramel salted kind of chocolate. But I'm very adamant or not really to buy it because I'm not really a chocolate lover. I still have tons of chocolate right here. And since this was given to me by my youngest daughter, I'll be happy to take them. My first time to have some salted caramel pine cones. I know it is good. And it is product of UK. It says at the back, product of UK right there. Product of UK. You see? Product of UK. Wow, this must be good. I know this must be good. I'm gonna indulge with this chocolate from UK. There you have it. My Christmas present from my youngest daughter. I don't know why she loves to give chocolates. And I'm not really big on chocolates, but since it is coming from her, I'm gonna be happy to eat them. These salted caramel pine cones made in UK. There you have it. My Christmas present from my youngest daughter. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks for watching. Keep safe at all times. Bye.